Okay guys, so some great news. DJI sent me an email last night and let me know that my DJI OSMO Pocket is ready to be picked up. We were out shopping the other day and Whitey decided she wanted to buy me one for my birthday. So come with me and let's pick it up and we'll do a direct unboxing. Okay, let's have a quick look around Hong Kong this early in the morning and see it in its all its beauty with a quarter of the people. If it's not easy to tell, it's winter time here in Hong Kong, and as an Aussie I can honestly tell you that this is the first day that it's actually been cold enough for me to wear a jacket. I'm still wearing shorts, but I've got a jacket on today. Okay, and here we are. Yeah. Thank you.
Take it out first. Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you.
It's up there. Is it? Yeah. Thank you. Take care. Take care there.
Hi.
Take care, sir.
Do you have the accessories yet? This is where DJI let everything down. Thank you. Okay, there it is. Pretty fucking small, but as per usual, they don't have the accessories ready for it when they're ready to go, which is a bit of a fucking letdown since it's Christmas time. But anyway, we've got it now. Let's go unbox. Okay, so I'm out and about, so I may as well open it up out here. I need my morning coffee, like the angry beast. Okay, so here we go. Place the knife, so bear with me. DJI OSMO Pocket. It's a beautiful small little box. Shield. Cardboard box. We have the case. Okay, USB to USB-C. These are the little adapters that slide on here somewhere. Oh, that comes out. That's not very good. Little case. And the little case, lever. Little clip. And the Osmo Pocket. The first thing that I notice is it is very, very small. This is a little bit too small. Okay, so there you have it, the DJI OSMO Pocket. I'll do a proper review, but I want to use it a few times and get a real feel for it before I do.